Looks like it snowed out. These are my $4 yard sale boots. We got a little bit of snow in spots. Well, hope everybody's doing good today. Not snowed in. Let's see if the skid steer will start. Tire guy out walking that snow. What do we got? About a foot maybe? Yeah, I don't know if it's going to start or not. I think Debbie said it was 20 degrees. And of course we don't have the heater on it. Not that I'm really going anywhere, but I thought I'd bring this thing out and play around a little bit. And I gotta let it warm up for a while. Pretty light snow, and I gotta clean all that off. It'll be on my neck, but I'm gonna see if it'll start. I think I might put some plexiglass around that thing. These boots are a little tricky to walk in because I'm not used to wearing them. This probably won't start. Leave that heater on a little extra time. Sounds like it's gonna start. I'll go back in and have a cup of coffee and let this run for 20-30 minutes. Then I'll come out here and play around the driveway with it. I wish I would have got my wheel loader done. That would have been fun. We ain't got all that much snow though. Definitely the most we've had this year, I think. I don't like rubbing it too high when it's cold. This gets really slippery, that metal there. It started. I guess somebody figured that out. I wasn't sure. I don't know if we're done getting snow or if we got more on the way. I think we're probably done. Oh, fingers are a little nippy. Snow on the camera. Oh, my gloves are supposed to be in here somewhere. Truck's a mess. Can I say it's a work truck? I didn't sweep this one. A good coat. Bet you my gloves are in the house or in the pockets of this coat. Nope, ain't in there. Well, there's one of them. I did get another truck bed put in there that went off the old gray one there. I was trying to patch up. It's in there, so I got two of them beds in there. I'm gonna put that cab in there, and ain't no hurry. Too cold to do much of anything right now. My hands are freezing again. Hey, thanks for stopping by Poorville. I'm gonna go in and warm up and come out here and play with the skid steer. Stay warm. Have a good day. I guess it just wants to keep on recording. Try again.